Bombs with Diana Vickers. Thanks for joining us, Diana.
Thank you very
So
much.
you've been singing from about age 11.
Yeah.
So tell us about your singing career before X Factor.
I did a lot. I guess I used to sing when I was younger, always to my parents, and I would put on like shows. I was in like my local. I did like a play at the Accrington Theatre, in Oslo Twistle Theatre. Did all that. Used to sing in pubs a little bit. Do competitions. Was always in the school choir. I played the trumpet. I was always in brass band. I was a ballerina. I was always a performer. So yeah, always just been singing. Yeah.
So what kind of an experience was X Factor for you? You were mentored by Cheryl as well, weren't you?
It was really great. Like I was like 5 years ago. I was so young, and it was a really enjoyable experience. But it was a great platform for me. But you know, it's such a long time ago, and I've done so much since then. It feels like forever ago. But it was a great experience. Yeah.
So what else have you got planned for this year then?
Well, I've been writing my second album, been to LA and Oslo and doing all that, and that's coming on Wicked, and you know that's to be out later on in the year, early next year. Been writing for like Jennifer Lopez and Enrique Iglesias, and you know, just like I'm the face of my makeup range, just like, you know, doing bits and bobs, writing for people, get my album out, want to do more acting and presenting. I've been doing a little bit of that, so yeah.
So obviously we're about inspirational messages for young people, so what inspirational messages would you give?
I just say if you want something so bad, then just work so hard for it, and patience, and it's a really difficult industry, you know, sports and music and acting, everyone's competing, and you know, it is really difficult, but hopefully you'll find something and you'll be so happy with it, and just keep going and enjoy it. Don't always feel that you have to get to a place and then you'll be happy. Enjoy the ride, just enjoy it.